How it started.
What are you up to? What are you up to? What are you up to? What are you up to now? What do you want to do now? What is it that you want to do now?
Who there here? Who
What
there
are
here?
you
I am
up
back.
to?
I am back.
Jesus,
Onyowa is
Jesus.
back. A graduate. Onyowa is
Jesus
back.
Lord.
I am back.
Jesus is Lord.
Onyowa is
Onyowa,
back. I am
Onyowa,
back.
Onyowa.
I am back. I am back.
Onyowa, what is this?
I'm now a graduate too. Don't you see? I'm now an electrical engineer. See my tools now. See this house now. The problem of light is over for this house now. The problem of light is over. In fact, don't worry. Let me relax first. If I relax now, I'll enter work. This light will start having light 247. See me now. Papa graduate. Papa, see your son graduate. See your son now. I'm now an engineer, electrical engineer. You understand? You now have the problem of light is over in this house. The problem of light is over in this house. Don't worry. Let's go. Your hands problem is over. Don't worry. I don't tell you see my cap now. This cap now no be ordinary person dey wear am. Na engineer wey I be. See my tools. Me na electrical engineer now. I don't graduate. Imalo University Gamwage. I don't graduate. Don't worry. This light now will be having light 247. Make I drink finish. If I drink this malt now finish now, I go get myself. Come enter work. No street for this area where no. Don't worry. I know you talk too much. See am now. See my shoe, engineering shoe. You know they see am. Engineering shoe. This one now, if I match am for electricity they fear am. You know. Don't worry. It's okay. I'm ready. I'm ready now. Let's go now. So I'll enter work. Let's go. So I'll enter. I want to put electricity in this house. Electricity must be in this house. Full current.
Let me check if you know your work.
Don't worry. Let's go, Papa. Let's go. Papa, don't worry. Even without ladder, Papa.
Without ladder, my son.
Without ladder, I go climb this pole now. Don't worry, Papa. Now me get light. This our house now. We must get light today. Don't worry. My father, Papa, where you there?